Good morning. Okay, Afrikaans, grade 3, page 42 and 43. Plant iets. So plant means to plant something. Alright, so we are supposed to plant beans, but we would have done these little seedlings that we had in class. So if you look really carefully, you can see the roots trying to go into the soil. I think it already did. Okay, so we would have done it. We would have seen how the roots, can't really see it. The roots, you can see it. Wait, let me do this. I don't want to break it. Okay. We would have seen how the roots grow and we would have seen the whole process. So that's why we had this. Luckily I brought it with. Okay, so we would have done it physically in class, but so hoe jy iets plant. We will read it and then we will discuss. Hoe om boontjies te plant. Kry 'n graaf. 'n graaf is a spade. Spit die grond. Spit means you dig. Gooi kunsmis oor, fertilizer. Maak slootjies in die grond. You make furrows for the seeds. Plant die boontjie saad, the bean seed. Gee die saad elke dag water. You water it. And then pluk die boontjies, obviously after a few weeks, and then eat die boontjies. Okay, so hoe om boontjies te plant? First you get a spade, you dig the ground, you not really dig, you just turn it over, you make the soil soft. Gooi kunsmis oor, fertilizer to make the soil nice and fertile. Slootjies, furrows, so that you can put the seeds inside. Plant die boontjie saad, so you put the seed in the furrow. Gee die saad elke dag water, water it every day so that it can grow. It also needs sunlight and air and water and warmth. Okay, pluk die boontjies, so you get the beans. And then eat die boontjies, so then you cook it and you eat it. Okay, so wat gebeur in prentjie 1? So they're asking what is happening in picture number 1. So what are they doing? They're getting a spade. Hulle kry 'n graaf. Wat doen die ma en dogter in prentjie 2? What are they doing in picture number 2? Hulle spit die grond. Hulle maak die grond sag. They're digging with their spades. Wat gooi hulle oor die grond in prentjie 3? They're throwing fertilizer. So hulle gooi kunsmis oor die grond. Wat plant hulle in prentjie 5? So first they made furrows and then plant die boontjie saad. So they're planting the beans. Hulle plant die boontjie sade. Wat doen hulle met die boontjies in prentjie 7? What are they doing with it? Hulle pluk die boontjies. They're not plucking. I know the word, but I can't remember it. They're taking the beans. Okay, then we would say in class, what would we eat that we can plant at home? So there's a lot of stuff. At my house, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. At my house, we have spinach, I have sunflower seed, I have coriander, I have lettuce, I have multiple tomato trees. So by my huis het ek spinasie, tomaties, blaarslaai, koriander, tomaties, sonneblomme, ja. And then wat kan 'n mens alles plant om te eet. So you can plant everything. Jy kan aardappels, boontjies, pampoen, tomaties, blaarslaai, spinasie, kruie, speserye. Jy kan alles plant. You can plant anything that you can think of. Potatoes, sweet potato, pumpkin, everything. Okay. Vertel in die regte volgorde hoe 'n mens boontjies of ander groente plant. So basically they're saying in what order do you plant boontjies or any other vegetables? So then you would say, eerste plant kry jy 'n graaf, dan spit jy die grond. Daarna gooi jy kunsmis oor, jy maak slootjies in die grond, plant die boontjies saad, gee die saadjies elke dag water, later pluk die boontjies en dan kan jy die boontjies eet. Okay, so words like eerste en dan, laaste, and so forth. Okay, so eerste, tweede, while we're talking about it, eerste, tweede, derde, vierde, vyfde, sesde, sewende, agste. Okay, just so you know the words. So when we have order of things, you say eerste, tweede, derde.